Shalom. Dear brothers and sisters, may the Lord give you peace. Welcome to this series of daily dose of Bible wisdom. Dear brothers and sisters, today I would like to reflect with you on the impatience of Sarai and its effects. The book of Genesis chapter 16 verses 1 to 4. Now Sarai, Abraham's wife, bore him no children. She had an Egyptian maid whose name was Hagar. And Sarai said to Abraham, Behold, now the Lord has prevented me from bearing children. Go into my maid. It may be that I shall obtain children by her. And Abraham hearkened to the voice of Sarai. And he went into Hagar, and she conceived. And when she saw that she had conceived, she looked with contempt on Sarai, her mistress. Dear brothers and sisters, God protected Abraham and Sarai so long. He took care of them. He protected Sarai especially from Pharaoh. Pharaoh was one of the superpowers of that time. God would not allow Pharaoh to touch Sarai. Sarai and Abraham waited so long. Couldn't they wait little more time when God would fulfill his promises? Where did her trust go? Instead of trusting in God, she trusted in her own intelligence. The promises of God sometimes might take some time. We only have to fulfill. He gives all that we need. Some years ago, when I was working in Andhra Pradesh, in the evenings I used to take my cycle and go for a ride. I used to meet a person called Doddanna. He was a collector of thrown away plastic bottles. He would go from the bus stand towards east till the afternoon, and he would come back collecting plastic bottles. Usually I used to see him in the evening with his gunny bag full of plastic bottles, which he would sell in the market and buy food for himself. One day, as I was talking to him, I asked, suppose you do not get plastic bottles on a particular day, what will you do? You know what he said? He said in Kannada, Devaru koduttare. The Lord gives, he said. A simple man with poor dress and dirty dress. I don't think he was an educated person. But the faith he had, he said in present tense, Devaru koduttare. Present tense is used generally for an action that takes place daily. He knows that God will give. He knows that God daily gives. That faith of the simple person put me into shame. Sometimes, my dear brothers and sisters, we may have to wait. Before God gives us something special, He would make us to wait. If only we trust Him and wait, He gives us abundant blessings. Trust in Him, God will always fulfill His promises. Amen.
Dear friends, if you're watching this video and you like this video, please do share with others. You're sharing the wisdom of the Bible with others. And if you want to watch more videos, go to the left side and click. You will have all the videos of the past. Thank you for doing this wonderful work.